Look at my beautiful Mahoe tree. It just rained. Rain shower came through. And look at the pretty flower. The leaves are just magical on it, isn't it? Look, every single one. It's like a little painting. It's like a little hearts in there. So pretty. And I've propagated a couple of these too. That comes over. Quite the showstopper. Isn't she pretty? So pretty. The Mahoe tree is in the hibiscus family, and you can tell, right? This variegated hibiscus over here has a funky little flower. It's pretty tall too. And this guy can turn into a tree, but I'd like for it to stay this height so I can cut it back a little bit. Trim it here and there sometime if I want. I like to come out and just stare at all of the leaves. Look at this little heart. It was well worth the investment.